So my people, this is what I eat in a day, healthy and easy meal. It's not easy. If you have been eating this all this while, you are eating good food. So my people, this is moi, rice and chicken. So how you guys see this is a very nice meal. If you have been eating this in all this while, my brother, you are eating good food. So my people, this is how it started. On a Sunday morning, after service, after worshiping the God Almighty, so my friend called me, said that we should go out and enjoy ourselves. So I feel like it's a very nice thought, so I have to follow him. So make sure you subscribe and comment on this video. So this is how my Sunday was going, a very easy meal. So this is me after service on one of the hotel they brought me. So we decided to order a food. So my friend was just asking me, which type of food is this? I was just thinking and looking everywhere, I've not been this place before, but I've just observing one or two. So he asked me, which kind of food can we order? So I was telling him, rice is okay, momo is okay, even chicken is okay. This is my friend, so holding the camera. This is the time he wanted to snap a picture, but he didn't know he was doing video. So later on, we later bought the food. We later decide on what to eat. This is momo, rice and chicken with coke, a very chill coke. This is very easy meal and healthy. So if you have been eating this all this while, you are enjoying yourself. So my friend was just laughing at me, he was just asking me, why am I shy? My brother, I don't know. So this him was just taking short video after finishing the food, after we have already eaten everything. So we are just relaxing and drinking the coke. So this is me videoing him. So I asked him to come and do small video. So this when he was holding camera videoing me, and one other guy was eating popcorn. So it was lively, so I decided to video him back because he was just curious about his dressing. He was just desperate for me to video him. So it's not easy. It's not easy. He's even dancing. You see this guy enjoying themselves on this life. Get us view, see you dancing. See joy. So that is it. When you make your money, you eat healthy food. Healthy food help your system. Healthy food can do a lot of things to your system. But when you work hard, and you go and spend that money on a woman, you are killing yourself. That is the thing. Enjoy yourself and make sure you are saving. Saving is important. Make sure you are saving. This is him laughing. I don't know what's funny about that. So make sure you are saving, because if you don't save, I don't know your future. So this is my advice for young girls, young boys, and old men and old women. Make sure you are saving. When you are saving, it will help you a lot in future. This is me thinking, who will you pay? Who will first pay? Whether it's him or me. So see you guys some other time. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel.